anyways, I'm gonna make a tungsten holder, or not a tungsten holder, what the fuck am I talking about? A rod holder with this square tubing again. So I'm gonna weld these little tabs on the bottom so it has like a bottom, I guess. And then I'm gonna cut some more smaller tubing, some 1-inch tubing to space these out a little bit, and then I'm gonna weld it to the back of my table, I think. Alright guys, so I put the rod holder on the side of my table. It's clamped because I don't have any other like legitimate clamps besides that one, or like wood clamps, I guess. Anyways, it's up there. It's heavy as fuck, so I'm gonna tack it like little few spot welds, I guess, and then I will fully weld it on there, and it should be good. Okay, well I was retarded and didn't film while I was welding that on there, so let's take this off. Hopefully it stays. Okay, sick. So I'm gonna finish welding that completely, and then that's all what I have to do for that. Okay, so there it is. It's done. It is kind of on the corner, not really, but it's where I wanted it. So, I mean, if I don't want it there, if it gets in the way or anything, I'll just cut it off and put it somewhere else. It wouldn't take too long to do. So yeah, I only have the carbon steel and some aluminum rod. I used to have stainless steel, but I used it all. And I mean, obviously I don't really